Okay, hello. I'm here with Mr. Poser, and we are going to show you a air pressure demonstration. Okay, so you can do this at home for those that are distance learning, and then we are also going to do it in the classroom if you are here in the next 2 days in my class. So what we're talking about is we were talking about water molecules, how they act, how they move faster when you add energy. And then solid molecules and solids, how they move and jiggle faster when you add energy. And now we're talking about the third one, because there's liquid, solid, gas, 3 states of matter. So that's what we're talking about. We're talking about the molecules in each of those. And we have moved to air now. So we have an experiment to show you how air, when it gets heated, it moves around faster, and the molecules want to push away from each other, bouncing, and it's going to bounce, and we are going to be able to see that in action. So we have Mr. Poser here, and he is going to do this experiment, and I'll explain as he does it. So first he's dipping his empty bottle, you can use any bottle, into a little dish soap. Then you have hot water over here, and he's going to put that in. Watch what happens to the top of the bottle as the bubble starts up. He's not squeezing the bottle, he's just putting it in hot water, which is warming up. It's warming up this air in here, causing it to push around the molecules, pushing up the soap bubble. That's what he's doing right now. Now he's going to take it out, and he's going to put it into the cold water over there, and watch what happens to the bubble. And we got a little water, no worries, just leave it right there. The bubble is starting to decrease slowly, slowly, slowly. All right, we're getting there. It hasn't cooled yet. We had quite a bit of hot water in this one here. So as we hold it up, it should go down as that air cools inside from the cold water. And it's slowly going, but very slowly. But he's doing a good job. It's going as it should go a little faster. If I had colder water, this would work even better yet. Okay. All right, you can pull that out. And all of you at home, I would like you to try this same one. The lab sheet with questions is also on Google Classroom. So I want you to do that along with watching the videos. Watch any other videos on YouTube as well. Don't just stay with ones I found. You can discover on your own other ideas concerning these concepts, and you can learn more and more each time. So, from my classroom to your house, have a good day.